Customers in my workshop make the same comments every day. Use the green one, it's better. Pink for me? I don't know, it seems to overheat. If you don't have the blue one, forget it. It sounds like we're a DIY and paint store, but in fact, we're talking about engine coolants. What's behind this myth? What should we expect of a good coolant? Let's turn to science for the answers, in the laboratory. We've come to the Olipes plant to discover firsthand what a coolant is, in addition to the components and properties of the same, and to try and answer our customers' tricky questions. First of all, what is a coolant?
I'll explain it to you by producing a litre of the product right in front of you to ensure that you have no doubts. Due to its high heat transfer capacity, the principal component of the coolant is of course water. Don't forget its main purpose is to reduce the operating temperature of the engine.
We're with you up to now.
Good. Monoethylene glycol should be mixed with the water.
And what does this glycol do exactly? What's the purpose of this
monoethylene glycol? As you know, water remains in a liquid state between 0 and 100 degrees Celsius. When monoethylene glycol is added to the water, this temperature range increases.
That's why the manufacturers request a 50% mix.
Exactly. A 50% mix lowers the freezing point to under -35 degrees Celsius and, more importantly, raises the boiling point to above 145 degrees Celsius within a closed or pressurized circuit.
Is that it? As easy as that?
Nowadays, latest technology, long-lasting organic additives are added to the mix of water and monoethylene glycol.
And what do these additives do?
They provide protection against corrosion, especially in the case of aluminium and magnesium alloys used to manufacture cylinder heads, pumps, radiators.
I've opened up dozens of well-rusted radiators and pumps, and I've seen a piston sleeve shot to pieces.
That's known as cavitation, and it's caused by the implosion of the bubbles generated by the high temperature, pressure, and vibrations the coolant is subjected to, and which we prevent by adding defoamers.
And the handful of whitish sand you find in radiators and pumps?
That's salts from the water, mainly calcium, chlorine and magnesium. Prestigious manufacturers like Olipes use extremely soft, demineralized water and anti-limescale additives and stabilizers to prevent the formation of mineral deposits.
From what I can see, the coolant is as transparent as water.
It really is.
So, all the talk about colour, if it's pink, yellow, is all a myth?
Although certain colorants help detect leaks, manufacturers use a color code to ensure the correct coolant is selected for each brand and model of vehicle.
To sum up, the color has nothing to do with the quality.
Obviously, the quality is a result of the correct formula, the amount of additives, the choice of the water, monitoring of the production process. These are the factors that set our products apart from the rest, and that's our guarantee.
Well, thank you very much for your valuable information.
We're always at your disposal here.
I'm going to keep using the green variety. Olipes green, of course.